Welcome to this tutorial about Microsoft Vista. In this tutorial, we're going to talk a little bit about some more advanced features in the operating system. I'd like to start with talking about user accounts. Let's go ahead to the Start button for just a moment and open up our control panel. Up here, towards the top of the second column, you can see a link for user accounts. You can go directly to setting up parental controls for any user or adding and removing user accounts. I'm going to click on the top link, which is kind of general because I'd like you to see all of the different options you have here. For example, something simple, you can change your user account's picture. They have some pre-selected pictures here, or you can browse for more and choose one of your own. You also can change the account name if you'd like. So instead of Joni Work, it could say anything I'd like it to. And you can change the account type as well. Right now, I am listed as the administrator. So right now, I want to go back to that main screen. So I hit the back button on the control panel. And let's take a look at add or remove user accounts. We can choose the account we would like or create a new account. We're going to give it a name. Give my husband his own account. Now we can choose to make him a standard user, which would allow him to use the software, change some basic system settings and so forth, kind of set things up the way he would like to use them. Or we could make him an administrator where he would have total complete access. We're going to keep him as a standard user for the sake of this example. And create account. And I click on it. We can change the picture like we did a minute ago for mine. We can create a password for him so he'll have his own password. We can give him a hint if we want to. And we'll go back to the home page again where we can look at our accounts. So here we are. Now I'm going to close the control panel. Now if we were to switch users, start and click on the drop-up menu here and switch users. We could log on to Steve's user account, and he could change this and make it look any way he wants and put any shortcuts or pictures or so forth that he would like to have, but he would not be able to go in and make changes that would affect everyone who uses the PC because he is not an administrator. He could only make changes to his own user account, which would affect the way he works with Vista. And having user accounts can be very handy for parents as well, because the parent would make themselves the administrator, have their own password, and be able to limit what their children can log into on their user accounts.